Have you been manifesting love, but somehow you keep meeting the wrong people? Maybe they are emotionally unavailable, maybe they give you attention and next day they disappear. Or maybe you finally meet someone, but then you keep overthinking everything. If this is happening, don't just ask, where is my person? Ask a better question. Am I really ready for the relationship I'm asking for? Because attracting a healthy relationship is not just about finding the right person. It is also about becoming ready for the right relationship. Here are 5 things that you can start doing today. And number 5 is the one most people miss. Number 1, get very clear about what exactly you want. Don't just say that I want good relationship. That is too generic. Ask yourself, what do you want to feel in your relationship? What do you want? You want peace, trust, fun, emotional connection. What exactly you want? Because if you don't know how healthy love looks like for you can easily get confused about attention and love, and that is the first mistake. Number 2, this is a big one. Stop making chemistry as your only test. Sometimes someone makes you feel butterflies and you think this must be special. But butterflies can also come from uncertainty, and that is not love. So next time when you meet someone, don't only ask, do they excite me? Also ask, do I feel safe bringing myself around them? Number 3, start acting like someone who believes that they deserve healthy love. If someone ignores you, you don't chase them. If someone disrespects you, you don't allow them. If someone says that they don't want relationships, you don't waste months to change their mind. Number 4, stop trying to manifest a specific person. I know this might sound strange, but listen. If you are constantly thinking about I need this person to choose me, you are no longer focused on healthy love. You are focused on controlling other person's decision. Instead, focus on the relationship that you want to manifest, not person. And now, number 5, become emotionally ready to receive what you are asking for. This is the part that no one talks about. Imagine you finally meet the person you want, but now you don't trust yourself with that person. You keep waiting for something to go wrong, you test them, you push them away, you create problems because healthy love looks unfamiliar to you. So, manifestation is also about becoming the person who is emotionally ready to receive what they are asking for. If you are struggling to manifest healthy love or struggling in your current relationship, message me right now. Details are in the description and don't forget to subscribe.